Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies here, working with the top cap or top cover of the carburetor body. This is before blasting, and on the left side is also before blasting. I taped the part just to show you the massive difference. It's really always hard to show people exactly how fantastic this process is until you do something like this. And I'm telling you, it literally is like Christmas morning every time you pull a part out of the vapor hunting cabinet. I mean, look at how amazing this part looks compared to the original. There's no other process in the world that gives you these types of results in the speed and the efficiency and the cost. It's incredible. We have systems for every person in this world today, from the smallest benchtop hobby unit up to the largest automated industrial unit. So no matter what your application is or what your need, we're always here with a solution and a process that's going to work for you. But this is incredible, absolutely amazing. We're not damaging the part. We're not ruining sealing surfaces. It is just cleaning this part extremely well. I would consider this a very, very deep clean on the surface because, again, we're flowing water and abrasive, very fine abrasive across the part surface. So that's why it's also so smooth here. So this would not be good for coating, right? If you wanted to coat this part, if you wanted to put a thin film coating like Cerakote on it, obviously you would have to use a different abrasive, different pressures to prep the part for coating. But we're trying to polish the part back up better than OEM new and make it look original because we don't want to coat this. So this is obviously a smooth, beautiful result. If you guys have questions on this application or an application that you're working or struggling with, the sales team's always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.